Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome to Daily Tech Bites with Sanjay, episode number 23, where we are going to discuss about tech news which are going around in the world, that too in a matter of 5 minutes. And for this episode, everything will be completed in less than 3 minutes most probably. So without further delay, let's get started. And the first news is about Nokia feature phone. Feature phone as in which doesn't have any touchscreen, which has like the real hard keypad and a very small display. That feature phone was released by Nokia, or should I say Microsoft, because Nokia is owned by Microsoft, and this probably might be the last feature phone that Nokia has ever released, and it is named as Nokia 216. It may not be, I hope it is not the last phone that they have released, but we are not completely sure yet. And the specifications of this phone are interesting too. So it has 2.4 inch display and not a 5.5 inch 1080p display, which will not fit into your hand, and 2.4 inch display will fit into your hand for sure. When it comes to RAM, it has 16 MB of RAM, not GB, obviously 16 MB of RAM, 32 GB of micro SD card is supported. Battery is 1020 mAh. This number may sound like it's so less battery, but remember that Nokia 1100 and all those other phones had around same battery too. So with that battery, they can last up to 20 days maybe without the charge, or sometimes 30 days if you do not use that much. And I guess that Nokia 216 will also last for multiple days, at least a week. And if you have a doubt like will I be reviewing this phone or not, yes, I will be reviewing this phone for sure, because I got multiple comments on my channel that review a smartphone or a feature phone which is priced at 2000 or 3000, because we do not have budget of 7000 or 9000. So I'll be reviewing this phone, and this phone has front facing camera as well as rear facing camera. The camera quality may not be that great because the phone's pricing will be around 2500 to 3500 Indian rupees. So let's see. And if you have not subscribed to channel yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, because review for this phone will be coming on the channel anytime soon. So the next news is related to WhatsApp, and now you can send GIF or GIF, whatever you wanna call it, and you can tag a person on WhatsApp messages too. So sending a GIF is going to be really annoying now, because as soon as the feature was launched, people started sending so many GIFs. That was annoying. And now you can tag a person by writing @, and do not worry, it is not going to give separate notification when someone tags you in group messages. Xiaomi Mi Note 2 screenshots were leaked, and it shows that it will be having 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. And most probably it will be based on Android 7.0 out of the box. Having 7.0 out of the box means that you will be having seamless updates, which will take 0 seconds, because there will be 2 partitions for everything. I will be explaining these seamless updates in my future videos, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, this was pretty much it for today's daily tech news. And now let's talk about today's daily tech deal. So I do not have any specific daily tech deal for you guys for today, because I am a little bit busy in YouTube next up. If you are not following me on Twitter, then do follow me on Twitter, because I may post few pictures today. So my schedule is from morning 9 to 9 in the night, so it's like quite hectic. And I have woke up at around 6 o'clock to record this video, which is going to go up on channel. But I will be giving you Amazon page link in the description box below. So if you want to buy something, or if you want to check out some deal, just check out the description box. You will find the Amazon link over there. And if I can find any deal on Amazon.in or Flipkart.com, I'll add that in the description box directly. So do not forget to check out the description box if you haven't already. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe over here. And if you want to see more content, see over here. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.